Hey everyone, so I did these twists in my hair about 2 weeks ago, and let me tell you, I got this scarf on right now because roots are starting to puff up, scalp is getting itchy, so I figured it's time for a refresh. And this is truly when knowing how to do your own hair comes in clutch, because I can just refresh it myself. But best believe I'm only redoing the front, because redoing all this, no. I figured what other way to add some nourishment back to my hair other than using products by Nourish and Shine. I'm going in first with their Untangle Me Leave-in Conditioner. Getting that good on that section and detangling. I'll be the first to say that doing your own hair is definitely not easy, but it makes the process so much smoother when I have products that make my hair more manageable. And y'all see me putting in all this work to make sure that this style turns out good. But it's just as important to make sure that my natural hair is able to retain moisture underneath and be protected. Oh wait, before I forget, gotta set it with some mousse. This mousse is really great for curls and coils. It's made with sunflower oil and honey, and it's really gonna lock in that moisture. It's hydrating, plus it smells really good too. And that's it. Just a quick little refresh situation, only using the best products. I'm really too nice with this. Make sure to check out Nourish and Shine products, and don't say I never put y'all on to nothing, okay? Mwah.